welcome back to the channel. Today I have a fun video for you guys. We are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the final makeup look after I've used everything. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first item in my Boxycharm box this month is the Touch in Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. I have not used a primer in so long. I'm very interested to see how I like this. It says, lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. A gel primer with an instant cooling effect. Hydrates and preps skin for makeup. It's silicone free, a water capturing technology, and should leave your skin feeling silky smooth. And this retailed for $32. The packaging is really cute actually. It's like this pink frosted glass. I really like this. I'm interested to see how a primer affects my makeup, like I said, because I haven't worn one in so long. Oh, okay. I'm really surprised this is silicone free. This is totally what you would imagine, like a silicone primer looking like and feeling like. It's like, yeah, definitely a gel is the right word for the texture. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and ooh, it smells good. Definitely has a cooling effect, which I honestly really like. As you can see, my skin's pretty irritated right now, and like mad at me, and I've got a terrible breakout happening over here. So this feels really nice. Okay, I like how that feels. I'm interested to see how that wears like with my makeup. The next item I have in my Boxycharm is a Dragon Beauty color corrector. Not 100% sure how I feel about getting Dragon Beauty in my Boxycharm. I'm not really a fan of Nikita Dragon. She's kind of, what's the word? Polarizing. I feel like that's the polite way to say it. But this is the Lavender Dragonfire color corrector, and honestly I don't use color correctors. I think a lot of them are just kind of BS, like for TikToks to make it look crazy. I'm sorry if I sound sick, you guys. I do have like a little bit of an allergy situation going on here. All right, we're looking up how to use lavender color corrector. Using a clean brush, apply purple color corrector on areas of your face that look darker than the rest of your skin tone. Okay, I don't know. I don't think it would go well on like acne spots because like red and purple don't color correct each other. So I'm just going to put this where I would put highlight, because that's like the only thing that I can think of that I would want to like make sure is like brightened. Okay, y'all, this is not it. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not just saying this because I'm not really a fan of Nikita Dragon. I'm just saying this because like I don't get it. Like I seriously don't get color correctors. I just don't think that they're necessary personally, and this is kind of patchy. Like I'm having a hard time. Maybe it could totally be the it could totally be grabbing onto the primer in a way that it doesn't like, so it might not be the concealer or the color corrector's fault, but I don't know, just not for me. Okay, the next thing I have is an eyeshadow palette, so I'm gonna do my face and I'll be right back. Okay, rest of my face is on. I just need to finish on my eyes, and I am so excited because I got the, I just realized I forgot to read you guys about the Dragon Beauty color corrector. It says it helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Oh, maybe I should have used it. I should have read this before I put it on. Maybe I should have used it on my acne spots. It's saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, blends effortlessly, and offers customizable light to full coverage. To make your makeup look even more flawless, apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. And it retails for $25. But anyways, the next item that I have is this Natasha Denona palette, and I'm so hyped that we got this in our box this month because I've never purchased a Natasha Denona product before, especially not her eyeshadows. I've heard amazing things about them, but they're just so expensive. I've never been able to justify it for myself at least. And so I'm really excited to try this out. I mean, these colors look absolutely stunning, especially for spring. I'm super excited. So let's dive on into this bad boy. The first color I'm going to go into is this one on the far left of the palette. It is called Vintage Taupe. There we go, just creating kind of the little baseline right there. These are very powdery. They have a lot of kick up. So just FYI if you need to be a little bit careful because of that. I'm also going to take that same color and just kind of diffuse it underneath as well. All right, this next color that I'm going to go into is this really dark color. It's called Enigma. Wow, that is a gorgeous, oh my gosh. Wow, look at that swatch, you guys. Oh, wow, that's so pretty. Okay, we're going to be super gentle with this color. It's probably going to get everywhere. So I'm just grabbing a tiny little bit on my brush and tapping off the excess. And I'm going to put this in the outside corners. This is so not the color I was expecting when looking at it in the palette, that's for sure. So I just kind of like packed that on, and now I'm just gonna kind of diffuse it out a little bit. Mama! She's she was literally carrying her toy around in her mouth while making that noise. Mama! Okay, now I'm just going to take a brush that doesn't have any product on it and continue to buff that out. I got a little bit crazy here on my left eye. All right, next I'm going to go in with Mint Frost, the green color in the palette. I'm going in with a flat-headed brush just to see how it goes on. Probably going to end up using my finger. Oh yeah, wow, okay, I love that color. Now I'm just going to take a dash of this yellow color. It is called Limoncello, which is a very cute name. And I'm just going to dab a little bit of this in the center part of my, or like in the inner corner, I mean. I'm also going to tap that underneath as well. And then I'm going to do a little bit of the Mint Frost. Guys, I love this palette. Like, Natasha Denona is definitely worth the hype. I still don't know if it's worth the price tag because it's just one of those things where like, if you have the money, go for it. If it's not your priority to spend that much on eyeshadow, that's okay too. So this Natasha Denona palette retails for $48. It says it is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, so that's really exciting. Featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tone. Okay, and the last thing I have is, well, not the last thing, but the second to last thing that I have is this Dragon Lash Tubing Mascara by Veen. This retails for $18 and it says it instantly creates the look of lash extensions. It's a lash doubling, volumizing, lengthening, and separating mascara, giving you flirty, intensely black lashes. So let's see how these do. I am not a fan of my natural lashes, honestly. I just can't get a lot out of them, I feel like. And normally if I do a look that's bold like this, I'm pretty much always going to go in with falsies. So let's hope that these really do lengthen these little tiny lashes out. So I'm going to give them a quick curl. Okay, I give this one like an 8 for length and like maybe a 4 for volume. I don't know that it really makes my lashes look super full, but they do look super long just because I'm interested to see. I've been using the Tarte Man Eater mascara, which I actually got in my Boxycharm a few months ago. I just want to try it on the other side just to see because I feel like it is hard to tell with mascaras sometimes. Okay, yeah, I think you guys will be able to see what I mean. The Man Eater definitely makes it seem like I have more individual lashes, and the Veen mascara makes it seem like they kind of, I don't want to say it's clumpy because it's not clumpy. It's like doing what I think that it's supposed to, but like I feel like I can even see in the viewfinder that this side just looks more full. I'll show you guys what I mean. I don't know if, oh, can you see? Do you see how this side, which is the vein side, can you guys tell? I don't know. I think you guys can tell. I think you guys can tell. I think you guys can tell. Hopefully you can. Okay, the last thing in my box is this Terre de Mars Radition Body Cleanser. It's a gel body cleanser. It says it's an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. I can't really smell it. One second. Might be because I'm sick though. Ooh, that does smell really good. It has like a lemongrassy scent to it, so if you're into that, this is like definitely for you. I just went to wash my hands with the cleanser and it's definitely really soft and luxurious feeling, so I'm super excited to use this. That is everything I got in my Boxycharm this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely got well worth our money's worth. This retailed for $22, so pretty much that right there is the cost of the box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give a like and also hit that subscribe button down below to hang out with me more on the channel. I do a lot of beauty, lifestyle, and a lot of Disney content, so definitely hang around. I would love to chat with you guys in the comments as well. Let me know if you received Boxycharm. If you do, what has been your favorite product? And did you get the same products as me this April? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Yeah, yeah.